You need to know how to organize your points in order to have an impact on all those listening. By keeping your speech organized, you're allowing your audience to clearly follow along with you. An unorganized speech can cause the speaker to lose the attention of his audience, which doesn't allow the information to be absorbed. The motivated sequence is a pattern for organizing a speech in such a way that your audience responds positively to your purpose. Sorry, this is a little difficult. How to organize the 5 main points in a speech. There are 5 main points to address when presenting a speech in order to have an impact on all those listening. They are attention, need, satisfaction, visualization, and action. Gaining attention. The speaker wants to get the undivided attention of the audience, so all the focus is on the speech and the message being presented. The best way to gain attention is by asking a rhetorical question, using humor, or using a well-known statistic. Be enthusiastic about your topic. This is usually contagious and will affect the audience. Establish the need. Point out to the audience that something is wrong and that a need exists, a need to be informed on organization of materials. Show the importance of organization in relation to career success. Use illustrations, statistics, or even testimonials. Satisfy the need. This is where the solution is presented, informing the audience why organization will create an impact on others. At this point, you want to answer any objections from the listeners. Visualize the need satisfied. Take the audience beyond the present time, allowing them to visualize how organization of your main points will result in the audience understanding the point in focus, and also see how informing them for the better. This can be achieved by demonstrating the negative effects of speaking to an audience without an organization to what is being said. Ask for action. Tell the audience what they should do to ensure that the need is met. Tell the audience exactly what they must do. Stress the advantages of organizing, the main points, giving concrete reasoning for organization, and how they will personally benefit from this. Cultural considerations in organization. There are 2 types, the high context audience and a low context audience. High context audience is where implicitness and directness are preferred. The main point is identified only after the evidence is presented. Low context audience. This is where explicitness and directness are preferred. The main point is clearly stated at the outset, even before the evidence is presented. By using cultural considerations, organizations will follow your audience with different cultural considerations to follow along with without confusion. Assuming that your audience is one of a low context culture, you should clearly and directly state the proposition, and the supporting materials are clearly linked to this proposition. By organizing the main topics of your speech, you are aiding in speech preparation, making the speech easier to understand, and making the speech easier to remember. If you use these 5 steps of organization, you will have a strong speech that any audience can understand. When a speaker lacks the understanding of the importance of your main points, they also lack the attention and involvement of the audience. Consider the information provided and the outcome of your speech will be positive.